This is going to be fun. Ooh, it's so small. So this is the Holy Stone HS210T, and very important to remember that T because there is a HS210 model which is different. So this is the 210T. So let's get this thing out of the box and see what it all comes with. So first of all, it is really nicely packaged. There's a lot in there. All right, guys, so it does come with some basic tools. It comes with spare propellers. It comes with the manual, and that's quite a thick manual. It's very well packaged. Like, I'm not worried about any shipping damage with this. This is really well done. Guys, it does come with 2 spare batteries, which is awesome because I'm forever killing batteries on these things. There's the drone there. Guys, it might look small. I guarantee you it might be small in size, but it's not small in features. Give me a minute here and we'll go over those. And then finally, guys, the remote. So well packaged. So it does come with a full remote. And guys, they put a little map on the remote. So if you forget what the buttons do, if you forget any of the controls, you always have this little piece of paper, this little reference chart. So guys, I'm going to charge this thing up real quick and then I'm going to show you why this drone is so unique. Now, before I show you all the neat things that this little drone can do, I want to talk a bit about taking off, because like any other drone, you could take off from hard surfaces just like this. Or you could take off from your hand. There she goes. You can even literally throw this thing into the air. Bye. It's floating over there. Here it comes. Told you, you can throw it into the air and you can literally drive it right off a cliff. So now that it's in the air, let's take a look at a few of the cool things this drone can do. The first thing I want to look at is flips. Check this out. There we go, a little side flip. Oh, hit the wall. Guys, this thing can bounce off the walls and keep flying. I just did a flip, then I hit a wall, and now I'm ready to go back into another flip. It'll do flips in all 4 directions, forward, backwards, left, and right. Check this out, here's another one. Come on. Woo! That's a lot of fun. Something else that it does, this is very strange to me, but it has this kind of a wobble mode. It's kind of a gimmick, it's kind of cool though. It's fun to watch. And guys, here it is again. It bounced off an umbrella, bounced off it again. And it's still flying. Check out that wobble mode. All right, guys, another thing you can do is just fly in a circle. This is always fun. Especially in tight spaces, you can just fly it around in a circle. And it has different stances, so you can actually adjust the way that it flies. This is pretty cool. And, oh, hit another wall, and guys, it still goes. I can hit the wall 15 times and it'll still fly. All right, so now that it's on the ground, this is a good opportunity to show you the different color modes. There's quite a few, including my favorite, which is a pulsing color. Check this out. But guys, that's not even the best feature. This is the best feature. Look at that, guys. It drives around on the ground like a car. When have you ever seen a drone do that? That's amazing. What's it doing now? I never know what it's doing. Actually, it's flying circles above my head. Isn't that hilarious? It's just going around and around. Listen, if you're looking for a fun drone for kids or adults alike, give this guy a try, the Holy Stone HS210T. I've never seen a drone take more hits, do more stunts. I've never seen a drone drive on the ground, certainly like that. So guys, if this video is helpful to you in any way, if you have any questions, leave them down below, I will answer. If you like videos like this, give this video a like. I do this kind of stuff often. And in the meantime, watch whatever video YouTube tells you to watch over there. I'm sure you're going to enjoy it. We'll see you over there. You can even literally throw this thing into the air. And you can literally drive it right off a cliff.